Hi, and welcome to Digital Tech Reviews and Tips, guys. Today in this video, I'm going to be just taking a quick look at the new GoPro Hero 12 Black here. Not much of a difference from the Hero 11, as you know, so I'm not going to be making this video too long. Don't want to waste your time. Just let's cut right to it and take a look at what's included. Like basically, you get the box here. On the side tells you what's in it. Back, pushes their app and subscription stuff, which the upload feature is pretty cool, but yeah, everyone's trying to do a subscription thing nowadays, so nothing surprising there. And then of course you have like the big features that they want to push, basically the same as the Hero 11, so not too much to see here. Yeah, that's the box, so nothing exciting there. Let's get to what's inside. Before I do, I did also pick up the Max Lens Mod 2.0, but literally all that's included with this is this lens here. As you can see, like there's nothing else in the box, so yeah, I don't know why they shipped it in this massive packaging, but yeah, just wanted to mention that before I got to the unboxing of the camera. Now, as you can see here, GoPro includes a nice little rip strip on the bottom, so it's not too hard to get into the box and get your new camera out, and it also cuts down on the use of plastic. Unfortunately, one of the first things you do notice when you get this camera is the fact that they are no longer including the nice hard black reusable carrying case that they have included for many years, since I think the Hero 9. Like, yeah, sure, this is nice, cardboard that's recyclable, made from paper, that's nice, but where's the nice reusable case that, you can carry around all your new GoPro accessories in? Like, I really like that personally. It was a $30, $40 value that they included, and it's no longer here on the Hero 12. So, in fact, by going from the Hero 11 to Hero 12, you don't get that case. Just something to know. And yeah, GoPro, don't cheap out on us. But that's neither here nor there. Opening up the top of this box here, first thing we're presented with is the fact that we need to update our camera before you can use it. That's nothing too surprising. You got to connect it to your phone. A lot of people hate doing that, but it's kind of mandatory nowadays. They are pushing their subscription, as I mentioned. I don't think it's the best thing in some ways, but it is really nice that it backs up all your footage to the cloud, doesn't compress it, literally unlimited backup straight from your camera. That's pretty cool, but all the other features are kind of meh. Here we go, instructions on how to, do the basic things with your camera, and some stickers on the back, which personally, I don't know about you, that's the only reason I'm buying this camera, is to get more stickers, because yeah, I love stickers, and I put them on my forehead, and I'm a walk-in billboard for the company. Pro tips for best performance with the Enduro batteries, and then the stupid safety instructions. Like, no one needs safety. Who cares about that, GoPro? Let's push that aside, and let's get to the actual meat and potatoes of this. First, we'll go to accessories. Faked you out there. Thought I was going for the camera. USB-C charging cable. Nothing surprising here. It is a little surprising maybe that they aren't USB-C to USB-C, but I guess so many people still have USB-A type chargers, so that's why they're including that. You get your Enduro battery here. Thank God they're making a standard as of the Hero 11 that you get an Enduro battery versus a standard battery. Basically just they figured out how to make batteries a little better and put a special name to it, so nothing too special there. Standard mount, standard thumb screw, this is basically the same stuff that GoPro included with the Hero 11 and the 10 and the 9 and the 8. So if you've had a GoPro in the past 4 or 5 years, you're not too surprised with anything here. Finally, we do get the GoPro 12 here. Throw the box out of the way. As you can see, it looks exactly like a GoPro. Take off the back screen covering. Take off this little protective side tissue. Sorry for not tearing it cleanly, people who have OCD. I'm just trying to get to the point here of looking at the camera. That is your new GoPro Hero 12 here. As you can tell, super similar to the GoPro Hero 11. Not just externally, but internally as well. They're literally identical, except for the fact that this one still includes the GPS, so you can do the overlays and stuff like that if you're doing biking or driving in a fast car, I don't know, sailing, whatever you want to do. You actually can do speed overlays still with this one. This one can't do that. So they actually got rid of some features with the new GoPro 12. That's the type of innovation that we expect, though, from a top-tier camera company like GoPro. It does look nice. Like, build quality still seems on par with their normal thing. The other feature that they did add, which is, they should have done this long ago, is you now have a 1/4-inch mount right down there. that's actually a useful feature, I will say, because there is sometimes when I want to mount this on a tripod and having to go from the finger mount to an adapter to then go to the tripod, it's a little annoying. So that's a super easy fix that they did, putting that down there. Now you just screw it right onto a tripod or onto like a selfie stick if you don't have a GoPro style mount, and it will still work. Let's just pop the battery in super quickly and make sure it turns on, because that would be a bummer. Put the battery in, boom, red light blink, hit the power button, and there's the nice little chirp, and GoPro Hero 12 Black is all powered up. Of course, the first thing it's gonna ask me to do is to like language, legal stuff, and then of course set my app up. I don't have an SD card in, but that's what it's gonna do first is like after I get the micro SD card in, it's gonna say connect to your app, which like I said, everyone, you gotta do with every camera pretty much nowadays, so just don't avoid it, do it. There are some nice features in the app. You can control it wirelessly, and you can download footage straight to your phone to edit. But yeah, that's pretty much it with the GoPro Hero 12. Not too many new or exciting features. Maybe we will see the new GoPro Hero Max 2 come out later this year, which is of course their 360 camera. They kind of teased that they were working on that, but I don't know if we'll see that in 2023 or maybe 2024. Either way, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully it was somewhat helpful as well as being informative and hopefully a little entertaining. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, please click subscribe below, click like, comment with any questions you have, but otherwise that's it for today. So thank you very much for watching. Peace out and have a nice day. Bye.